Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Nissan Note 2013 to 2018? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Nissan Note 2013 to 2018, the passenger compartment fuse box protects comfort, lighting, body control, and convenience circuits, covering power windows, interior and exterior lamps, 12-volt outlets, wipers or washer systems, central locking and body ECU, and supplemental safety systems like the airbag control module. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Nissan Note 2013 to 2018 protects key systems including the headlights, fuel injection or fuel pump relay, engine control circuits, ignition circuits, brake or ABS control, wiper and cooling fan, and lighting relays, ensuring reliable power delivery to both safety and core engine components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.